If your estate's worth under $5 million, then keep scrolling. This may not be for you, but it may be, as it's good information, you may be shooting for that. If you have an estate over $5 million, your business assets, other assets, investments, real estate assets, that value you've built and you want to protect. Give me a couple minutes, I'm going to tell you why it's important to analyze and understand what you need to do to protect that legacy. I've worked for 15 years with individuals and couples, business owners, retirees, high income, high net worth clients, successful executives. And what happens is I've seen a lot of different holes, and I've seen a lot of different types of experiences in this process of doing estate planning and wealth management for these clients. Now, I'm not a tax or legal expert, but I work with a team of experts, legal, financial, insurance, and other types of experts that we work together on behalf of our clients to make sure we understand their needs. And I'm going to tell you a quick story, a very personal client situation that I had years ago that caused me to make sure that we don't have the same thing come up again. So I received a call from my client's daughter, and the daughter began to tell me that her father was in the hospital, not doing well, was going to be in nursing care, and they were concerned about paying the bills. I asked for a copy of the power of attorney, and they went searching for it, and they could not find any power of attorney. Because of that, my hands were completely tied. I could not assist. Client had plenty of assets, plenty of money in his investment, bank accounts, but there's nothing I could do to access those accounts without a durable power of attorney to be able to give them legal access to his accounts. So they started the process of filing a conservatorship. Now, this was a very stressful situation for me, for them, for the family. It was going to cost them money and time, and it was awful. Well, just shortly thereafter, this client passed away, which because of that, they didn't have to file a conservatorship, but through beneficiary claims on those assets, they were able to get access to that money. But in the meantime, what happens when we don't have things in order? How do we protect our legacy? This is just one example, and there's so many other things to consider in regard to your legacy, how to protect it properly, and make sure that taxation, whether it be estate, whether it be ordinary income tax, do you have a team? Now, I'm not a tax expert, I'm not a legal expert, but I work with tax, legal, and other specialists to bring together a team, because clients that are in that category, high net worth, highly compensated, or business owners that are successful, quite oftentimes find that they're juggling all these different relationships, and because of that, each advisor is working in separate silos, not communicating together. I work as a planning team lead to make sure we bridge those gaps, find the holes in each individual circumstance, and go to work to find solutions to solve your biggest, most pressing issues, and parlay your success. Parlay your success into personal legacy planning.